Have you ever caught yourself daydreaming about financial freedom? Wondering if it's truly possible to break free from the daily grind? Imagine waking up each morning knowing that your money is working for you, allowing you to live the life you've always dreamed of. That kind of wealth isn't just for a select few. It's possible for you too. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into a topic that could change the way you think about money, success, and your future. This video is all about wealth inspiration. Later, we'll be exploring how you can cultivate a mindset that attracts wealth, learn from those who have made it, and uncover actionable steps you can take starting today. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your finances to the next level, this video is for you. The Mindset Shift, turning dreams into reality. Before we even start talking about numbers, investments, or financial plans, we need to address the most important part of building wealth: your mindset. Ever heard the saying, you attract what you think? It's true. The way you think about money directly affects how you earn it. Many wealthy people didn't start with millions. They started with a belief that they could achieve more, do more, and be more. So, let's start with you. Ask yourself, what does wealth mean to me? Maybe it's financial freedom, the ability to travel to help others, or simply live without stress. Write it down. This is the foundation of your wealth journey. The power of small beginnings. Let me tell you a story about Sarah. She was working a 9-to-5 job, struggling to make ends meet with no investments and very little savings. But she had a dream: to retire early and spend more time with her family. It seemed impossible at first. So she started small. She began saving $5 a day. Just 5 at first, it didn't seem like much. But over time she learned the magic of consistency. Those small savings turned into an emergency fund, which then grew into investments. Today, she's well on her way to financial independence. The lesson: never underestimate the power of small beginnings. They can snowball into something much bigger. Learn from the best, inspirational wealth stories. Now let's take a look at some of the world's most successful people and how they got to where they are. Warren Buffett, for example, started investing when he was just a kid. He wasn't born with a silver spoon, but he had a passion for learning about stocks, saving his money, and making strategic investments. Or take Oprah Winfrey. She overcame a difficult childhood to become one of the most influential and wealthiest women in the world. The common thread: they never stopped learning. They invested in themselves before investing in anything else. And you can too. Dedicate time each week to reading about personal finance, understanding the stock market, or learning new skills. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make with your money. For building wealth through smart investments. So let's talk about how to actually make your money grow. If you got some savings, it's time to put that money to work. Stocks, real estate, mutual funds. There are so many options out there. But here's the key: don't invest in anything you don't understand. Take the time to research and start with what makes sense for you. And remember, you don't need to have thousands of dollars to start investing. With apps like Robinhood or Acorns, you can start with as little as $5. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compounding. It's like planting a tree. The best time to plant one was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. The importance of giving back. Here's a secret about wealth that a lot of people don't realize. The more you give, the more you get. It might sound counterintuitive, but many successful people believe in the power of giving back. When you help others, you create a cycle of positivity that comes back to you in unexpected ways. And I'm not just talking about money. Give your time, your knowledge, or your skills. Generosity can open doors you didn't even know existed. Plus, it reminds you that wealth is not just about money. It's about making a difference. Habits of the wealthy. Let's take a look at some of the habits that set wealthy people apart. One of the biggest habits is having a routine. Waking up early, journaling, setting goals. These are things that anyone can do regardless of their financial status. These small daily habits can lead to big changes in your mindset, productivity, and ultimately your wealth. Think about this. How do you spend your mornings? What do you do before bed? These little details matter more than you think. Overcoming setbacks, building wealth. Despite challenges, let's be real. Building wealth isn't always smooth sailing. You might face job loss, unexpected expenses, or market downturns. But here's the thing. Setbacks are temporary. The key is to stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember, even the most successful people have faced failures. The difference is they used those setbacks as a stepping stone to grow even stronger. Think of setbacks like a slingshot. Sometimes you have to pull back to launch forward. All right, if you've made it this far, congratulations. You've taken the first step towards a wealthier, more abundant future. Remember, wealth is not just about having money in the bank. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. So don't wait for the perfect time to start your journey. Start today. No matter how small the step, because each step forward is a step closer to your dreams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this inspiration, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on building your best financial life. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.